All right, I see that thing on the tree. I don't know what it is. I know I ain't getting near it, but I'll take a picture of it from afar. Sophia J. putting almost live with Haran. He gonna go over there and mess with it. Oh no, no, don't mess with it. It's gonna fly away. Leave it alone. Leave it. He's not dead. He just don't want you to mess with it. It's gone. Enjoying Ackworth today. Lake Ackworth, that's what it is. Oh, look at all of the dogs.
Yeah.
They're coming our way.
Oh, they're babies.
They're coming our way. They think we got food. I ain't got no food for you, babies. Y'all swimming fast, too. Y'all see it? They swimming real fast. I ain't got nothing for you. Sorry. Look at them. Sorry. I ain't got a thing for you. Look at them. Y'all see them? Are they going under? Is that mommy and daddy? And y'all keeping up? Aww. Oh, look at the ones in the back. Where are they? I hear them.
Oh, there they go.
Here they come. There they are. There they are. I don't have nothing for you, so y'all just gonna keep going. Sorry.
They're not even looking for food.
You don't think so?
Nah, they're not looking at us. They're not even
They
thinking.
slowed down.
Yeah, they're going over there though. They're not looking at us. If we had food, they would all be fighting for it right here. They're eating off that green stuff there. Probably eating bugs.
Y'all hungry? Y'all hungry?
That one is all one color. It's pretty.
What do ducks eat, y'all? Do they eat fish? Do they eat bugs? What's their favorite thing? Whatever it was, they didn't find enough of it over there. Sophia J. reporting almost live. Ackworth.